Well, good morning, everyone, team. Welcome back to the session. So let me start the session for today. Meanwhile, others can join parallelly. So just I'm waiting for other participants to join, but already it's delayed for 3 minutes. Let me start the session. They can join parallelly to the call. So once again, a warm welcome to TrioTech software trainings to every one of you. So as you already know that my name is Kumar and I will be your trainer for this program. Yesterday, we had our demo class on this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications, right? So in yesterday's session, what we have discussed, I have gone through these aspects in our yesterday's demo session. Like first, I introduced to you the concept of ERP. What is ERP? What are the different products in the market available under this ERP family? And then I introduced to you what is Oracle Fusion application is about and its evaluation overview. Like what is the background of the Fusion application? When Oracle introduced these applications, prior to this, what are the existing products that in the market we have? The entire journey or the history of the Fusion applications we have seen here. And then I introduced to you the types of companies involved. Who is the vendor? Who is called as client or customer? Who is called as consulting company? Once you learn this particular course, in what sort of companies that you will be recruited and what we have to do, that all we have seen here in types of companies involved. And then I talk about Fusion environment releases. In the Excel we have gone. Then in which year Oracle introduced these applications, during that time, what was the release version that they came up with? And since then, how it got evolved and what is the latest version of the Fusion application? And also yearly, how many times Oracle provide upgradation to their application, and every time what happens when that upgrade happens in the system, and then what is the sequence in their versioning number that Oracle following every quarter to quarter. These all things we have discussed in our yesterday's session with respective to environment releases, right? But what new enhancements Oracle will bring every 3 months when Oracle upgrading their application? What new features Oracle bringing in? Where we can find them, that I'll show you today. But yesterday I spoke about the Fusion upgradation policy, the environment releases and all team. And then we discussed about the modules in Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application. Like here, what all modules we have in this technology, then what comes under functional, what comes under technical, right? Then what kind of roles that having huge demand in the market currently, right? I told you techno functional. And then as part of this training program, what we will be covering for the next 3 months of the time period, what we are going to cover, that we have discussed it, team. And what are the course highlights, what will be the everyday duration, what will be the timings, then recording access, server access, materials, right? What sort of materials that you will be getting as part of this training program, the assignments, then the placement assistance. And also I told you we will also conduct the placement workshop sessions on real-time implementation projects, team. So this slide I thought of showing yesterday, but that PPT was not handy with me because I was using other laptop yesterday. So this is the presentation, team. Generally for every batch, I will conduct training on placement activities before you are uploading your resume in all the job portals. Some real-time sessions will be taken to you. In reality, what will be the team size? How many people will work in the project? What type of environments we will be going through? Then implementation project means what? Support project means what? Testing project means what? Then in each project, how many teams will be there? Then how many people will work in on-site? How many people will work in offshore? Right? Then every day, how we will communicate with the client. In a week, how many calls we will have with the client. Then the entire implementation phases from the project management plan, kickoff meeting till go live. Different phases we have: as is study, to be study, CRP1, CRP2, solution designing, and these are the documents we have team. RD50, BP80, then CV10, then we have TE40, then DO70, BR100. What are the different phases we have? Each phase, what document we will prepare to the client and we will share. And also, if it is a support project you are working, how the ticket will come, what is ticket, what type of tickets will be there, and what are their severities. P1 means what, P2 means what. This entire placement workshop I'll be conducting, that I told you. But this presentation I have not shown you yesterday because, as I mentioned, that was not handy with me yesterday. So this I'm showing to you today. And then team, we were also seeing about the placement activities that happens in TrioTech every month, how the postings will happen, and the recent student testimonials who got recently placed, even freshers who got recently placed in different companies. These all things we have seen team. And then the registration process and all I have explained you in the yesterday's session with the offer that what we have yesterday, right? So these things, to have a quick recap that we had in the yesterday's demo session, right? Now today we are going to continue with the topics that which we left out team, right? Many of you already received your emails. Okay, I hope all the people who are in the call, maximum people got enrolled team. For all the enrolled participants, we have shared an email access to every one of you. Please verify team. Two things I want confirmation from every one of you. Whoever paid yesterday or even today morning, we received some confirmations before the class. For you people, you can expect in next 2-3 hours. But till yesterday evening 6 o'clock, whoever completed the registration team, for every one of you, we have sent an email with the portal access team. For every one of you, the e-learning portals have been created. You have to go to your website and then go to the live classes login, pass your email ID and password we have given to you in the email and login, and go to enrolled courses here. So your course you could able to see coming up team. Everyone, please check out this today. If you are missing this, everyday session recordings you will not be following team. We will not share via YouTube every day. Only 1 or 2 sessions in the initial days we will share through YouTube links. But every one of you should get created with your e-learning portal access in our TrioTech website. So please get yourself verified. For a few people, when we sending the emails, we noticed that the email came to your spam folder. If not in inbox, please check out in your spam folder. For every one of you, the access mails have been triggered by last evening. Check out that. And then adding you into the WhatsApp community. So the current WhatsApp group we created, the community for my communication with you. Going forward, anything that I'm going to communicate with you as a group, I will be using that WhatsApp community. In that, any class timings changes are there or any materials I want to share, any important thing that I want to share with you, I'll be communicating only from the WhatsApp community team. That community links also we have shared to you. If anyone missed it with that, please check out with the admin team so that you will be in sync with all the activities happening with this respective to the registration, right? So these two things, please take care of yourself, team. If anything is missing from our side, please let us know. Our team will help you out. Now today, what we can discuss. Whatever the left out topics in the yesterday's session, we will be discussing today. They are Oracle Knowledge Repository and Oracle certification process. Why? Because few of the students having the doubt with respective to certification. Kumar, first of all, is certification mandatory that we have to write the exam, or without that we can able to proceed further? So we have that in mind. So let me talk about the certification process in HCM Cloud team. First of all, let me introduce to you Oracle Knowledge Repository. Means what is this? Basically, you will be getting the custom materials for every module as I have shown you yesterday. I'll be sharing to you that thing from TrioTech. As part of training, okay, you will be getting this custom materials. But on top of that, if you want to go and explore Oracle standard documents for this respective technology, where in the internet you have to go, where you can find them. Not only that thing, every quarterly upgrade, whenever Oracle is going to update their application, I told you Oracle will release the documents prior to 3 months. Like in this new upgrade, these are the new functionalities we are bringing in. Like that, module wise, Oracle will bring the release documents team. Where we can find them, that all we will see in the knowledge repository. Simply go to the internet, okay, just type as docs.oracle.com. Just go to the internet, simply type with the URL docs.oracle.com. Now every one of you please try along with me. Every one of you please try along with me. Go to your internet and type docs.oracle.com. Here, nothing to log in. Some of you might think that Kumar is associated with Oracle. He's having access to that. No, nothing. See, when I came here, did I sign in? No. It is asking me to sign in, but not required team. It's an open platform for everyone. Oracle giving the documents access. Docs.oracle.com, you have to come. Then here, all Oracle products you can see. Cloud infrastructure, Java, systems, on-premise, database, okay, NetSuite, everything you can see. But our technology is what? Cloud applications, Fusion applications. Come to Fusion applications team. And here you can see when you click on see all the Oracle Fusion Cloud applications you can check out. See, yesterday I thought of sharing with you this, but I could not able to do that. What was that team? Now we are learning that Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, Human Capital Management Cloud. Under Fusion applications team, several products Oracle offering in the market for different usages. This is our product, Oracle Fusion HCM, HR related software application. We have Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud, which deal with finance team. We have Oracle Fusion SCM, Supply Chain Management Cloud, Oracle Fusion CRM Cloud, Oracle Fusion Procurement Cloud, Oracle Fusion PPM Cloud. For different business activities, different products Oracle offering team. We are learning one such product, that is HCM. So these are our modules team: global HR, benefits, talent, performance, compensation, payroll. Then in Fusion Financials, they have general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable. In supply chain, they have inventory, cost management, product management, okay, procurement, like that. So different products we have. When we come to docs.oracle.com, And when we come to Oracle Fusion Cloud Application Suite, all the products under Fusion, what Oracle offering, you can check out team. Financials, procurement, accounting hub, then supply chain. Within supply chain, all their submodules, manufacturing, inventory, order management, procurement, logistics, and this is our HCM. And this is CRM, sales related theme. So all the products under Fusion, what Oracle offering, you can come and check here. Go to our product HCM, then click on human resources here. Now team, you will land upon here this particular page. So here on the left hand side, something called all books we have. Come to all books. Here team, when you come to all books, we have the filter option view. Now you want to filter here team. You have to filter whether you want to access Oracle delivered implementation guide, user guides, admin guides. Means in order to implement the each module, implementation guides, we have that. You can filter that team. Or once we configure the system and once we hand over to the client, how they are using each module, the user guides for them. You can filter here accordingly. So I'm selecting implementation. So when I select implementation team, all my modules, see implementing absence management, implementing journeys, implementing benefits, compensation, global HR, payroll, help desk. In payroll again, we have localization team, country wise, Bahrain, Canada, China. See team, then time and labor. All the module books we can check out here. So let's say core HR is there. If I click on this PDF team, then I will be opening into the PDF. 398 page document this is. Entire global HR module implementation. We have one module now here. This one. This one. Core HR or global HR. So this module implementation document is system. So each and every concept with a very clear theoretical explanation with examples how to configure that module will be given by Oracle team. So these are Oracle standard documents. They are very lengthy to explore, but yes, anytime that you want to explore for any concept, you can able to get this documents team. But a part of this, anyhow, our custom materials will always be there with you. That will be very easy to understand and implement in a very understanding language, in a easy English that we have customized. This is okay. But on top of that, anytime if you want to explore Oracle documents team, the navigation is this. So not only you can even download this also to your laptop team. So it's not about core HR. For all the modules we have that. Array, sorry. Okay. We go here. Come to all books. Okay. All books. And then come to implementation. So all the modules you can able to check out here. So this is books team. I mean, accessing the Oracle standard materials for all the modules. Then if you come to videos here, short bites, some 1 minute, 2 minute bites in each module, Oracle embeds here. So you can select a module wise. We have absence, benefits, compensation, global HR, payroll. You can filter that module wise. So small 1 minute, 2 minute videos Oracle will embed. If you want to explore, you can explore this also. Now the most important thing is every quarterly upgrade, every 3 months, when Oracle upgrading their application. Now we are in 25B. Now in the July month, in this month only, our application will be upgrading to 25C. This is going to be the latest version. Now I want to know in this 25 release, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in the system, because in the real-time projects also, this will be our ongoing habit. Every 3 months once we will be accessing the Oracle given enhancement list for each module. We will first go through them and we have to present to the client also. in this upgrade, these new functionalities are coming. These all things will be happening in the projects team. So how, as an implementation consultant who working in this technology, that you will be getting the knowledge in this new upgrade, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in the system. Here team, go to the same docs.oracle.com. Above all books, we have something like a cloud readiness team. Above all books, cloud readiness. Go to cloud readiness here, and then team, you can filter product wise everything, HCM, supply chain, financials, ERP, means everything we have HCM filtered. Then you can see team here. You can select the release. You want to check the latest updates, filter with latest updates. So here you can check out all module wise team, all the things. See, benefits, what's new 25C. Now I told, right, we are in 25B. Yesterday I have shown you. Next upgrade in the month of July only. We entered July. Somewhere by 28th in this month, we will get 25C. So see here, in 25C, benefits module, compensation module, help desk module, human resource module, that is global HR team. In every module, next compensation, OLC, then ORC, recruiting, then talent management, then absence management, time and labor, then in payroll, whatnot team. Every module release notes we can check out here. So if you click on that particular module, what's new coming in 25C release, you can check out. Here you expand this and you can expand this. So these are the new features coming up in Core HR module. New page add properties for person attributes in Redwood page header. So what is that functionality? And in the front end screenshot also team. In the front end, in which screen, what new items are coming up, right? Then if I go to any details here team, some new feature is there. Employee detail assistance with AI agent. So this is a new functionality coming in. And what is the screen that impacts in the front end? Each and every component you can explore and you can check out team. Okay. What is that new functionality? Then explanation of that. And in the front end, where is that news feature is coming up, like this highlighting team. So this will give us ample information about the new functionalities Oracle bringing in the system. So I suggest every student of mine, when you are working in the real-time projects also, team, let me keep everyone in mute. Sorry for that. Even when you are working in the real-time projects, make a habit of this. It should be for your entire lifetime. Next 15, 20 years, whatever the period that you might be traveling in this technology team, every 3 months, once you spend at least 1 hour of time, come to this docs.oracle.com, come to cloud readiness, module wise you go team. In this new release, what functionalities Oracle bringing in? Just explore, sit for 1 hour team, so that you will also keep yourself updated with the technology every time what new things Oracle bringing in the system, like that. Okay. So this is about team release notes. This is for core HR. Then for another module you want team. Benefits module you want. Compensation module you want. Then go to compensation and explore what functionalities Oracle bringing in. Prior releases. Then you filter with prior updates here. So prior to 25C, 25B we want. See, 25B release what Oracle brought in. Or in 24B what Oracle brought in. Okay. Then old updates you want team. Filter with all updates. You can check out previous also same. See 24C, 24B, 24A. Last year's also you can able to check out team. In every 3 months, when Oracle upgrading the application, you have to come to this docs.oracle.com. No one will tell you this in the projects also. Your project manager will not tell you, or your senior consultants or team leader, they won't tell you. This is your duty to explore by yourself, to keep yourself updated with this technology. So I request all my students, okay, take this part very seriously. Why I kept this is very important. Before starting the training and all, these are very important things that everyone should make a habit to us. So this is Oracle Knowledge Repository concept, team. Now we all know how to go to internet, where to access the Oracle standard documents, team, right? Then let me talk about Oracle certification process in the Fusion. See here, like every other software technology, Oracle also will be having the certification for their HCM cloud application. But the thing is, team, when it comes to Oracle certifications, okay, when it comes to Oracle certification for entire Fusion application, because this was a question that many people asking me, Kumar, if I want to do certification for entire product, I have a certification exam? No, team. For entire Fusion HCM cloud applications, we will not have any certification exam. Module wise, how we have modules in the system. For each module, Oracle will conduct the certification exam, team. You take core HR, you have an exam by name Oracle Global Human Resource Cloud Implementation, okay, Specialist, the exam name, team, for core HR module. And there will be a code IZO 1046/25. So the examination code. Then for absence, you have team Oracle Absence Management Cloud Implementation Specialist. There will be a code IZO 1054/25, like that. For every module, Oracle conducting the certification exam, right? How to apply for this? First of all, team, does certification mandatory to do? A big no. First of all, team, unlike in SAP Workday, how certifications makes a very prior role in your recruitment process. In Oracle Fusion Cloud, certification is not a mandatory concept. That doesn't have any weightage in your recruitment. It's ultimately how you are presenting in the interview is matter, team. So my suggestion to every one of you, it might be freshers, non-IT, or even working in IT, shifting towards this fusion, anyone, certifications, you don't need to be worried about that. Not at all mandatory in this program, team. But people from US or Canada, UK, if you are attending the session, as per the country nature there, I mean the working nature there, many people are fascinated towards the certification. So you might be having a weightage over there. But in India, if you ask me, certifications are not being looking at a priority in your recruitment. So don't get worried about it. Don't waste your money by spending from your pockets. I'll tell you what is the cost that basically Oracle charging for this. And when you will be able to do the certification, I'll tell you all those things now. See, for each module, as I told you, Oracle conducting the certification exam, team. And for each module, Oracle charging around 23,000 plus applicable taxes, team. For each module, okay. How to book the exam? There are different ways to book the exam, team. Basically, Oracle partnered with a company by name View Pearson, team. Okay. If you go to the internet, and just if you type it as View Pearson, you will get the very first website, that is Pearson View team. Many of you might be aware of this. You might be uh, written some exams. If anyone tried for abroad studies, you might be writing PTE test, Pearson English test, okay, or you might be writing some Duolingo, IELTS exams. So these are the test centers available, team. Pearson View. Basically, you can come to this View Pearson website, okay, and then you can search your program here. I mean, the certification exam, create your account, pay the fee, and you can write team. Prior to COVID, what happens? We used to have the certification exam only offline mode. This View Pearson test centers are available throughout the world in different cities. In Hyderabad, we have, in Bangalore, we have, in Delhi, we have everywhere. We used to go there, we used to pay the fee, we used to book the exam, which module we want to write, we used to sit there and we used to write. But post COVID, Oracle started online examination with video monitoring. So directly you can go to View Pearson website, you can search for your examination name, book your slot at your convenience time, sit in your home and you can write. But you will be video monitored. Someone will be in the video. They will be looking at you while you're writing the exam team. Or else directly you can go to Oracle University website team. We have something called education.oracle.com. There is a website by name education.oracle.com. You can directly go to this website of Oracle University and there also you can book and you can write team. These are the two ways. And for each module, Oracle charging 23 plus taxes. And the examination pattern team. Generally, we used to have MCQs, multiple choice questions. For example, core HR you take, we used to have 90 to 100 questions team. All are multiple choice. Question, ABCD options team. But many people doing malpractices, cheating the exam, doing the proxies. Oracle made this exam very rigid from last 2 years team. Along with MCQs, some real-time scenarios Oracle giving in the examination. They are giving the Fusion application access and asking you to configure there and show team. So now the examination pattern is MCQs plus real-time scenarios team. Okay. MCQs plus real-time scenarios with a combination certification exam being conducted by Oracle. 70% is the pass percentage. Negative marking also will be their team. And there will not be multiple attempts, only one attempt. If you go and if you book the exam with the fee, only one attempt. If you fail, you will lose the money. It won't refund. If you pass, you will be issued with the certificate from Oracle University. So this is certification exam team. Generally, when this will become a kind of importance to you means at the initial job applying time and all, HRs are not particular about certifications. Once you join the organization, once you started working in your company, when you are switching from one project to another project in your company, some of the clients will be very particular that they want only certified resources for their project to work. During that time, your project manager will insist you. Client is asking for certifications for all the employees. Please do any of the module. So during that time, you can plan for your certification and your company will offer you free coupons team. You no need to spend your money. On behalf of you, your company will pay and they will book the exam. During that time, you can plan team. Okay. So this is something you have to know. I'm covering it. But when you are planning is up to you. At this point of time, it's not really important. Please take it on a lighter note. If anyone planning for certifications, you can reach out to us. Our team will support you with this. We will support with the dumps. Dumps means already for each module, whatever the question and answers, questions will come in the exam. We generally have that ready-madely available. You can practice them. 80% same questions will repeat in the exam team. You can follow the dumps and you can clear your certification. Many students been clearing their certification with the help of the dumps. So our team will support you with that while you are appearing for exam team. You can reach out to us. But this is generally Oracle Fusion certification process. Don't be in the impression that for entire technology we have one common certification. No, module wise we have certification Oracle conducting team. So this is the price that currently Oracle charging. I know the charge from 4,000 rupees team 10 years back, 12 years back when I was first writing the exam. Now it costing around 23,000 plus taxes. So this is about the certification process in Fusion application and where you have to come and where you have to schedule means in this. Now team, let me get into the system. Let me start introducing to you the Fusion HCM cloud application. Because yesterday is full theory. Even now we discussed about some components. Now let us jump into the system and let's talk about the basic home screen functionalities in the application team. Now, now, okay, let me go to fresh sheet. Whenever any company buy the product from Oracle team, for example, you take Tata Group. Okay. For example, you take Tata Group because that is very well known to all of us in India, right, team? So let's say team Tata Group is there. So Tata Group want to purchase this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications team. Tata Group want to purchase this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications in order to use in their in-house operations. So here Tata Group is the customer, okay, or the client. So what Tata did team? Tata reached Oracle, okay, Oracle India Private Limited, like Oracle Corporation, anything you can take example team. So this is the vendor I told you, vendor, right? So Tata Group reached to Oracle that they want to purchase this product because they want to use in their day-to-day in-house operations team. Okay. For day-to-day in-house operations team. Right. Now Tata purchased the product. Now Tata Group want someone who can configure the application according to their requirement. So let's say team Tata Group reached out to Deloitte, okay, or Accenture. We all know these are the consulting companies in the market. You take Deloitte team. So Deloitte is the IT company in the market. We call it as consulting companies. Okay, consulting companies. Don't ask me, Kumar, for Tata TCS is there. No, that is also that is different story team. Don't ask me like that. Okay. Now see here, or else you take Reliance or you take some example, X example. I'm taking X as Tata here. Let's assume team, the situation I'm giving you. Tata want to use Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud in their in-house HR operations. Tata bought the product from Oracle team. Now Tata Group wants someone to configure their application. So what Tata did? Tata given the project to Deloitte. Tata given the project to Deloitte team. So we will be working in these so-called IT companies in the market. So whenever our company receive the project, we will be deployed for that client project and we will work on team, right? Now here, when a client or a customer buy the product from Oracle, this Fusion HCM cloud applications, how the application will be delivered to them, how the client will access the Fusion applications. As I told you yesterday, Fusion applications are completely on a cloud-based technology. Fusion applications are completely on a cloud-based technology. Cloud-based means what team? A software that is hosted over the internet. Nothing we need to install in our laptop. Client no need to buy any server from the vendor. Client no need to install their application into the server. They no need to maintain. They no need to secure their data. They no need to upgrade, maintain. Everything Oracle itself will maintain team. So application will be delivered just in the form of URL like this team. This is Fusion application. Okay. This is Fusion applications team. Just in the form of this URL. This is the Fusion applications. Just in the form of URL team. For that to log in, we require user ID and password. When any company buy the product from Oracle, the application will be delivered just in the form of this URL team, right? Just if I copy that, just if I copy that, and if I click on it team, see I'm prompting it to this page. Let me close all these things. Just I'll go here. Just I'm taking this URL and just I'm going to my Google Chrome, right? My Google Chrome. Just I'm passing here and I'm searching. Now see team, when I search here, it went to this cloud infrastructure, Oracle Cloud, and then it is asking me for username and password. Did anywhere I installed this software in my laptop? Did I run that software? Nothing. So cloud-based technology means that one thing, like our Google Gmail or our Facebook or Instagram, how we are accessing them? Are we installing them in our laptop? No. If I want to start my Gmail, just I will go to my web, just I will type Google Gmail and I could log in with my credentials and I can start sending my emails team. Similarly, the Fusion HCM cloud applications also purely working on a cloud-based technology. When any customer buy the product from Oracle, the application will be delivered just in the form of this URL. To access that, an account is needed team, user ID and password. So it will prompt us to the sign in page like this team. Then username and password. In my laptop, I have one username by HCM IMPL auto saved. That is why they are coming. You can give and you click on sign in team. The page is loading. Now you will be landing upon the Fusion applications home screen. Click on the home button. Click on the home button. Then this is our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application main home screen. So this is the look and feel of the Fusion application. See, did I install anywhere? No. So a good laptop with good internet connection, if you have, you can access Fusion application by sitting anywhere in the world. So these are completely cloud-based application team. You require your user account and login to enter into the system. So in tomorrow's session, basically, I'll be starting with our very first topic, that is security. So how that user accounts will be created when we go to the project for the first time, that all we are going to see in this module. But let me introduce to you some more things today. So this is how team the Fusion application you will be accessing. Generally, we have different names to call the Fusion application. Now I'm using it as link, but generally you should not use this terminology. When you are working in the corporate world, in the IT companies, when you are in the project, whenever with your team, in the real-time projects team, you should not use the regular layman terminologies. Hey, give me the link. Hey, please give me that URL of the client. If you are referring the application team, you should not call it like that. Link, URL. These are very general layman terminologies that which we use in our day-to-day life. Officially, we have to call Fusion application with specific names in the project. Okay. What are they? URL or link. This is general terminologies. The actual terminology that we should refer the Fusion applications team, we can call it as environment. We can call it as instance. We can call it as server. Okay. We can call it as pod, POD, or you can call it as tenant, or you can call it as sandbox. These are the different names that which you can actually refer the Fusion application in the real-time companies when you are working. Because when you are in the project, we have to be professional team. So these are the different names that we can call the Fusion application. Even yesterday, if you could see my slide, what I mentioned here, 7 months of 2 months of additional server access, and here also I'm giving what team, 7 months server access means what team, the Fusion application access, right? So you can call it as environment, you can call it as instance, you can call it as Server, you can call it as pod, POD. POD means platform on demand. Or tenant, you can call it as sandbox. These are the different official terminologies that we should refer Fusion application. So many of you will, I know that you'll be updating your some experiences and you will enter into the jobs. During that time, you should not use this terminology. Say, give that URL of the client. Hey, please give me the link of that client. No, these are not acceptable. These things you have to call the Fusion applications team. Okay. Then one more important thing I want to tell you. Sometimes in the real-time projects, whenever you are working, you will be in a situation to work for multiple projects team. Particularly in this technology, we have different types of projects like uh, implementation project, support project, like testing projects. We have different things. What are they? I will tell you in this placement workshop team. Here we have, see, different types of projects: implementation, support, testing projects. So what we will do in each project, I will tell you later in the workshop. But team, particularly in support projects or testing projects, when you are working, you will be in a situation to work for multiple clients. As a pool, you will be working team. During that time, how you can identify which client application is what? For example, team, you are working for 3 clients in the project. Okay. Client A, okay, client B, client C. Your project manager asked you to work for 3 projects simultaneously team in the support projects. This is quite happens team. Support project, why? Because it's a kind of teamwork will be there. 10-20 people as a team we will work, we will share that. It won't be a burden, but size of the clients will be high, right? So let's assume you are working in a project and 3 clients that you are working team. How you can identify which client's environment is what team? In the environment, we have this 4 characters. See here, after HTTP FA/ESLL, customer to customer team, this 4 characters number will be deferred. Okay, customer to customer team, this 4 characters. Okay, here ESLL is there for one client. For another client, it will be team something like EGFD. Okay, then for some other client, it will be something like some other 4 characters. It will be something like HSDS. Okay, DE. So here you have to understand team. In every client's application, this 4 characters will be deferred team. Here I have what? ESLL. Here I have EGFD. Here I have HSD. We call them as pod number, POD number team. Platform on demand number. Kumar, they are in characters. You are telling number. Yes, they are in characters only, but we call them as pod number. This is very important basic understanding team. You have to follow this. Okay. In real time projects, whenever you are working, customer to customer, these 4 characters will be deferred. That we call it as pod number. So you can easily identify by looking at that 4 characters which client application is what. So this is something in the URL that you have to notice the difference team. Now the application what I am using, this is for our training purpose. For training environments team, we will be getting at the end in the URL or in the starting also team, you can see here coming as what is that? After ESLL, SAS FA Demo-1 DS/FA Oracle Demos.com. But in real-time projects, whenever you are working, your client URL will not be coming with this demos team. Okay. It will come with oracle.com directly, oraclecloud.com. It will come as at the end. Okay. It will come as oraclecloud.com team. It won't come as demos, but our training environments, these are our demo servers team for training, practicing. Oracle will give this to us. So these things you will see as demos. But in real time, whenever you are working in your client application, you will see in the URL at the end, it is coming as oraclecloud.com. And also here, we have again within this three types of environments team: production environment, test environment, development environment, QA. But these are very uh, early to discuss team. If I start talking what is production, what is dev, what is test, you will carry away. So in the project workshop session only, we are going to conduct the sessions on that. What is development environment? What is a test? What is production? When client buy the license from Oracle, by default, what app URLs they will get. But here team, in real time, between production, dev and test to differentiate also. Within the URL, we will have after 4 characters pod number /test/dev like that. That we will see later team. But as of now, this understanding I want from you team. What is that? Whenever any customer buy the product from Oracle, the application will be delivered just in the form of URL. How we can access the Fusion system? You can copy paste this URL in any of your browsers. You can log in with your user ID and password. Customer to customer, to identify the difference, this 4 characters pod number will be deferred. That is one thing I want everyone should know. And in real-time client applications, the URL will end with oraclecloud.com. But our training environment will come as a demos, because that is a demo environment. Use it for training activities team. But in general, you will see it coming as oraclecloud.com team. Then further, what is production? What is a development? What is a test? Once we start our training program, once we get into the details step by step, we will understand team. So this is the basics of cloud application. Oracle suggested browser is Firefox team. We have this Firefox, right? That is what Oracle suggested for their application. That doesn't mean that in Google Chrome it doesn't work properly, or in Internet Explorer it won't work properly. It will work team. But Oracle suggested browser for their Fusion applications to work perfectly is Firefox. But my habit is Google Chrome. From long time I'm using Chrome only, so I will use Google Chrome. Even you can use anything of your choice. So when you pass your URL into the browser team, you will be prompted with sign in, user ID and password. When you sign in, you will be entering into this home screen page. This is the main home screen of the Fusion Cloud applications, right? So good morning, welcome message team. This is my username that is coming up. And here we have different options coming up here. So what are these things team? See, we have sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procure. A tile is there here. Towards the right, an arrow showing. If I click on that, more options will come to me here as well. See, if I expand this one. If I want to go back, I can click on this arrow. And then any particular functional area, if I select, let's say my client groups is there. If I select this, I'm having sub options coming up in that. If I go to me, I'm having sub options in that. If I go to help desk, I'm having sub options team. What are all these things? First of all, when you log in into the home screen, this entire area, we call it as springboard in the system. What is that team? This entire area, we call it as springboard. And each section that we are seeing here, we call them as functional area. My client group is one functional area. Procurement is one functional area. Me is one functional area. Service is one functional area. Each and every section that we have here on the springboard, we call them as functional area. Then under my client group, I have again hiring, journeys, new person, absences, goals, performance, learning, talent, whatever we have under that functional area, these all options, we call them as sub-functional areas team. So this entire area, we call it as springboard, and these we call them as functional area, and under them what we have, we call them as sub-functional areas team, right? And then on the top left beside Oracle, see here our client logo we can keep team, that we will see in this sandbox session. Yesterday when I'm talking about the course syllabus, we have customizations and personalization, right? Your client might asking you to give your client logo here, Tata Group, Reliance, whatever it is team. You can give that I will show you later. But here there are three lines here team. If I click on it, that is navigator. Whatever options we are seeing here in the springboard, sales, Redwood, service, me, procurement, my client group, in the horizontal way, you can see all of them in the vertical way. Click on that team navigator, see sales, Redwood, service, me, procurement, my client group, and under them whatever the sub-functional areas we have. See, if I go to navigator, my client group, if I expand team, same options, hiring, journeys, new person, person management, spotlight, whatever I see here, see. So these all functional areas and sub-functional areas, what we have in the springboard area, we can also find them in the navigator on the left side. Here in the vertical arrangement, we have team, all these are. So we can access from here also, anything. You can expand that, you can find. Whatever we have here, you can find them team. So these are the home screen functional areas and sub-functional areas. What are they? Once we start step-by-step modules, you will understand team. Then we have here magnifier, home button, favorites button, watch list, bell icon, and we have few more things to discuss here on settings and action, these buttons team. But this I will take up in tomorrow's session. Okay. So I will conclude here for today. Any questions as such in today's topic or in yesterday's topic team? So as I told you, please get yourself enrolled with the registrations team. If anyone else is pending, I hope many of you completed. Only for few people, whoever left out, please complete the registration process today, so that you will be shared with the e-learning portal access and also WhatsApp community to add you. So yesterday's session and today's session, you can find in your portal team. First set of material I will share with you tomorrow after the session, because yesterday and today just basics. But tomorrow I'll be starting with the very first topic as part of the training, or the first module as part of the training, that is security administration. So once I start with that, the first set of material for first 20 days, what we are going to discuss, I will give you the material for that team, daily class notes. So you can able to start practicing. So that's all for today. If any questions, please let me know, team.
Kumar, just want to ask the full form of POD.
Platform on demand. POD means platform on demand, means whatever the client paying for, the platform Oracle giving, nothing but the environment, like that is.
Kumar, when will be getting the server access?
Today, as if you will be getting in the community, we will share, because
Okay.
yesterday and till last night the enrollment registrations and all team doing. Today, once we consolidate all people, we want to share it at one shot. That is the reason we hold it that today you will get.
Okay, and one more thing, just wanted to ask actually.
Hmm.
I have already experience in Salesforce actually, Salesforce HCM.
Yeah, I came to know that he mentioned project manager role you are doing. They mentioned
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, yeah. So just wanted to understand
Hmm.
the implement. So is there something that for implementation part, if there are any recorded videos, earlier videos, if that can be shared with me actually, because I've
Implement.
already enrolled and I'll be continuing the classes
We
actually.
discuss with that. We support. No issue. Okay. Triveni ma'am
Yeah,
will
yeah,
be
because
there. She will
yeah,
support.
because
Yeah.
Yeah, hi
I
Kumar.
Yeah, anyone. Yes. Vishnu, please, sir.
Yeah, hi Kumar. I want to know whether you are going to explain like FDA. Will it come under like technical or like
FDI is not
functional
part
side?
of HCM, Vishnu. I have seen the chat which you were texting yesterday.
Yeah,
FDI
I am
is a
work.
file-based data import concept we generally have in supply chain and financials. In Fusion, in place of FDI, in HCM,
Okay.
we have our HDL. So we don't use FDI in HCM. We use HDL for that. For supply chain and for finance or for PPM modules, in place of HDL, they have FDI. But we have HDL. This will be covered.
Uh,
Okay, okay.
Kumar, Kumar,
good morning, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
good
this is
morning.
Sumant, sir. I'm like
Mm.
just completed my master's in New Jersey, sir, USA. So I'm
Sumant, yeah,
attending my
today morning I think you texted. Yeah, sorry for
yes,
that.
sir,
Yeah,
yes, sir. So, sir, I have just like two, three, few basic questions, sir. Like, is it
please tell me.
possible
Yeah.
to talk with you after the
Yeah,
session
after that
or?
session, we will meet. No problem. Okay.
Okay, sir. And one more
Yes,
thing,
I,
sir. Like, are there like any requirements that come to you in US locations?
See, we generally get that, but not like in India. In India, we will get more requirements, but in US, we will get requirements from different consultancies. Whenever we
Yes, sir.
receive that, we definitely share that. And we can give some numbers of consultancies to you. You can reach out to them for
Okay, sir.
marketing.
Like, are there any people attending from USA, sir, like currently or in previous
Yeah,
batches?
yeah, obviously, every batch there will be
Hi,
people. Also, we have.
I'm
Yeah,
hi.
Ali,
even
Ali
like
from.
I am from US. Yeah, I
Oh,
Yeah,
am from
yeah.
Texas.
sir,
From
if
Ali is
possible,
there.
like it would be helpful if you like
A
make
few
like
more
a.
are there. I think Pavani is there, Pradeepa is there. Many are there.
It would
I'll just
be
do
good,
them.
sir,
No
if you like
problem.
make a common group of us so that it would be more helpful for us to share
We'll
anything.
check. We'll check. No problem. No
Yes, sir.
issue. Okay.
Thank
yeah,
you.
hi Kumar.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah, this is Ashini. Actually, I
Ashwin.
have experience in recruitment for 3 years, but
Hmm.
I have a career gap of 2 years. So,
Hmm.
is there any possibility to get on?
You can move on, Harshini. No problem. See, having a career gap, that's a genuine thing for women employees. I mean, like you can use something kind of maternity breaks or something, and you can tell that. But the past 3 years, what you have, that you
Yeah,
better showcase that you worked on Oracle HCM Cloud as an end user, at least in your company to this domain like that. We'll discuss
okay,
that offline, how to keep, we'll guide you. No issue, Harshini. Okay. Yeah.
okay. And
Kumar,
one more thing, how can I get practice? Can I install anything in local
No,
laptop?
the instance will be getting you will be sharing today. Just
Okay,
like this, a web link only. You can practice from your laptop or desktop, anything. Okay.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hello.
I have a question.
Yes, sir. I have
Are
a
we going
doubt.
to are you going to cover VSB also in Redwood?
What is that?
VSB,
What I didn't get you, Ali. Bit louder.
Visual Builder Studies.
No, no. Visual Builder will not part of this course. We have a separate program for that. In technical plus OIC, it will be covered. Here,
Is it
enablement part of
required?
Redwood will be covered.
No, is this VSB is very much required for us to learn or
See,
not?
now for customizations on Redwood pages through VBCS Oracle given Visual Builder Cloud Studio, that
Yeah.
only used for customization of Redwood page. General pages, no, you don't have any VBCS concept here. Okay.
Because one of my friend is a Oracle HCM. He's in US. So
Acha.
he told me like learning this is actually very important because everywhere customization is being done
Mhm.
only by VSB.
It depends project to project. Probably in his personal experience, he might be required to work on that. So he might told you that. No issue. Okay.
Hi Kumar, this is Ravi.
Uh,
Hi, Ravi.
Hi Kumar. So just wanted to know two things. Like the first thing
Hmm.
is that I'm already working for one of the client who is using Oracle HCM, but it's not
Mhm.
a depth. It's just a basic thing like we do. Like it's a club of the project is, and we
Mhm.
just do some basic stuffs.
Okay.
So basically I'm working as a lead in my current organization
Mhm.
HCL. So like if I'm shifting my career from like I'm getting into the depth knowledge about HCM. So
Okay.
like what the main reason is that I just because in my CV I mentioned and updated in Naukri, so I got 2 or 3 calls for that. So just
Mhm.
wanted to know like the it will be completely acted as a new when I join anything after learning this program, or
Not,
it will
not,
be
not
like.
really. Not really. You can
Mhm.
portray because already you've been exposed to this technology and in your career you have the relevant experience only. Last 3, 4 years, you mentioned the resume that you've been working in Oracle HCM Cloud and you worked on already 3, 4 implementation projects like that. Then you will be
Okay.
considered as an experienced profile and you will be recruited for the correct designation.
All right.
Okay.
That's the first
So
thing. And
you'll
like
be
recruitment is through that you go ahead and provide those things, or like it's we just Naukri
We'll
is gonna
guide you on
update
that.
it.
No worries. We'll let you know what
Okay.
projects to keep on all. Phase by
All
phase we
right.
will
And
do. We
So
just we started now. Yeah.
and
Sorry, something you were saying, Rabi? Hello?
yeah, I got the access yesterday,
Hmm.
but
Hmm.
under that profile, it shows my email address under my name. So there is any way we can go ahead and change it, because I tried to do it, but there was no option.
That you inform to admin, they will change. No problem. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Well, team, I'll conclude here for today. We'll join back tomorrow. So from tomorrow, team, it will be shared only to the enrolled participants. No other participant will be allowed to the session from tomorrow. Please do complete the registration. If anyone yet to complete, hopefully everyone is done, but anyone missing one or two participants, please complete your registration today so that from tomorrow you will be getting the new meeting link separately, not this one, so that you can able to start your course from tomorrow, team. Thank you everyone for joining the session. We'll join back tomorrow and we'll continue, team.